Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can quote a message in Discord. So in this case you can see here I'm writing here, hi boys, I'm gonna quote this message. Okay, now I'm hitting enter. The message is here. Now I'm just typing random shit. Okay, to show you that I'm gonna quote this message, hi boys, I'm gonna quote this message. So if you want to quote this message, click on that specific message, right click, and you'll find reply. Just simply click on reply and you will be able to quote that message, and you can write your message here. Hi boys, this is your quote. Okay, you can see that message is quoted here, this message, right? So guys, this is how you can quote messages in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.